Okay. Hari bol Hari.
Hare Krishna.
Hari bol. Yeah. Actually, after Prabhu hearing so many glorification about Advaita Priya Prabhu, I feel myself very insignificant to talk about him. But I will share some of my association with him. I didn't have that much association. I have a little bit association, mostly in temple. But before I go to that, I want to share that how I came in contact with all you Vaishnavas. So actually, I think I remember how much time, Prabhu, I have.
As much as you please, Prabhu.
No, Prabhu. I mean, I just want to make sure.
No,
Because Prabhu, I feel as a part of your family. I am so much attached to you, especially Dhruv and everybody. Means I don't know. And whenever you were Mehul Prabhu and I think what is that, Amrit Kali Devidasi, when she was talking, I have also tears in my eyes. I feel so emotional. Even though I'm feeling right now emotional, but and Haribol Mataji.
Actually, Binda is a timekeeper. She'll tell you when you're done.
Okay. No. So I will tell you that how I came in association of you, Prabhu. I remember that long time ago. I think I don't know the year. We came to your apartment in New York with I don't know Ramchandra Prabhu or something, and then at that time Jalangi Mataji was expecting. So at that time I came to know you all. And as you know that I used to work in Teva, which is in Pomona, and Pomona, New York. And then from my company, there is one of my friend who is a Chinese. She used to live in Hariman, and then I used to go to her place. And then at that time, she is a Chinese communist. So I told her that what is the meaning of Hariman. And I tried to preach her, that this, and then I told her that I don't know why the name Hariman came here. There is no temple, nothing. But now you know what it is, for what it is. This name came. So I just wanted to let you know that one. And you are hearing me, Prabhu, right?
Yes, we are muted so that we can, but we are hearing you.
Yeah, because I didn't see anybody's face because there was a phone sign.
No, everybody.
Oh, when you mute, then I will see only that sign.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Prabhu, in a temple, actually, as you know that I generally give arti to everybody. So whenever, when I see no like Maharaj or anybody, so I used to go to Advaita Priya Prabhu and I give him the arti. But he's so humble, and then he used to hold my hand and put on his head. And I feel so embarrassed, means, and then he gives me arti from his hand. So I am so blessed, because such a Vaishnava is giving me, and he always tell me that when you are coming to my home, you always ask, and I feel so regret now that I didn't fulfill his wish. Actually, he wanted me, he somehow said, be like you, everybody remember you in our home. And you are a very good devotee serving, So that is actually, whenever I remember, I feel very, means like, just like Merul Prabhu was saying that he feel little bit regret. So that is one of the thing I also feel that was. And he was a very learned and humble Vaishnava, that for sure. And I heard, and during the thing, I was hearing that Advaita Priya Prabhu's father wanted him to make him a doctor. but instead he become a teacher and becoming himself as a doctor, but he met so many you doctor as well as great Vaishnavas. And I think why the reason is why he become doctor, because doctor can treat but not teach. So he was the teacher, so he taught you all and you become so respectful doctors and giving the service to the community, temples, and devotees. And he actually told me so many times, Advaita Priya Prabhu, that come to my home and come at 11 o'clock. We will have kirtan and then we will have prasad. So that thing I never forget, I used to, and sometimes he tells me, he grabbed me my hand and then he told me, sit here. So I sometimes sit here. He said, then he always tell me that same question, that when you're coming to my home. And then whenever I was talking to him, I always tell him that you are Dasharath, and you have in your home Ramchandra family. And I will definitely come once I will become qualified to come there. So he is such a humble person. And then whenever there is a class, Sunday class, he always give very good comments. And his words are so clear and loud, because a means very bold in nature, and he always have a comments, not question. He always they comment that, and sometimes he said that, can you sing this bhajan? So, and then as Vishwarup Das Prabhuji was saying that Advaita Priya Prabhu went Golok Vrindavan to make arrangement for all you people. So I think he used to love me also. So I may have some percentage to go with him too sometime if I become myself qualified. And he also used to tell me that you are my family member.
He's going to chastise you, but then say, okay, finally you came to my home. So he
yeah. I came, Prabhu, but when he told me after that, I came one time, yes. But I don't know, somehow I am very much attached to you, Prabhu. That's, I don't know, is internal, maybe, in some previous birth, we may have, in contact with you on this.
You have eternal Father Prabhupada, right? So.
Yeah. That's right. And I also remember that during Rath Yatra, in New Jersey, Rath Yatra, I think Lincoln Park, when Binda was very small, I think little. And there was the storm and she was feeling very cold. So I carry her all the way and run to the tent. So we have kind of, things there. But Prabhu means, I'm not qualified to say anything, but after hearing about all those things, and from your generation after generation, everybody is devotee. I always talk to Manisha Ben, and I always ask her that how is your mom and everybody, because you are all great devotee, Prabhu. Even though I'm asking, I will get some benefit out of it. And my Hari bol to everybody, Prabhu.
Haribol.
I don't have much to say, but that's about it.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Prabhu.
Yeah.
So now you still have the Advaita Prabhu's, better half was already here. If I say better.
Yeah, and the picture look like the Advaita Prabhu is sitting there.
Yeah.
He's so.
He's looking at naughty that
never came to his home and delivered.
Not smile that you didn't keep your promise, but you can still keep your promise and come and
for his feast.
Yeah. Definitely, Prabhu. We will come, definitely.
So that when you meet him in Golok Vrindavan, then you can say, I went over there before coming here.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I didn't see Manisha Ben though. Still.
She's joined, but she's upstairs. Prabhuji, my camera is showing that I'm
Here we go.
on, but I don't know whether you are seeing me or no.
No, I can see,
Yeah, we see you.
I want to see all the Vaishnavas, And where is Dhruv? My
Dhruv.
friend.
ध्रुव केशा बोला है तुम्हारा लोग ना राज प्रभु बोला है અહીંયા મારા ફોન માં
He's such a nice
Hi,
guy.
Bob.
He did so much kirtan. Hari bol Prahlad.
ध्रुव प्रभु અહીંયા આવો ને
हरि बोल बोलो
Keshav, Hari bol.
हरि बोल
हरि बोल
Yeah. He's a Gujarati guy, pure.
Pure Gujarati guy.
Yeah. He used to ask me that Sunam che tharo.
Gujarati guy, Prabhupada guy.
No, he's so smiling and such nice kirtan. Everybody does, Prabhu. Everybody. I saw Chitra doing, and so many,
Yes. Hare Krishna Prabhu, nice to hear you.
Yeah. I'm not that qualified to speak anything against
नहीं
all
नहीं
of
प्रभु
you.
जी आप हर बार सबका पूछते हो याद करके कोई भी अगर नहीं आया है तो उसको याद करके आप जब
जी।
बोलते हो ना तभी पता चलता है कि भगवान ने आज देखा है कि हम आए कि नहीं आए
Yeah, Advaita Prabhu, you used to tell me that everybody remembers you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Prabhu, we come to
किसी को
temple.
भी पूछो ना कि याद करो कौन याद कर रहा था
हाँ।
सब यही बोलेंगे
I would mention, I know that, we can glorify Prabhupada, so everybody comes, but 3 devotees I cannot forget. Samek Rishi Prabhu,
Hmm.
Lord Prabhu, who was a doctor like me,
Uh-huh.
and you, Prabhu. Because when I used to come to temple, I used to beg, Krishna give me residency, Krishna give me this, give me that, and then I regretted. So Nanda Prabhu said, he used some word, akam, sakam, maybe some other exhausted devotee would know. But he said, if you come to temple, you would stop asking. So,
Yeah.
come to Krishna. If you want something, come. If you don't want something, come. Eventually, Krishna will make you not ask for nothing. Because he told me, you ask for everything, Krishna would give you, but then you might not take it.
We used to one round, right? We used to chant one round, and he was the
My book, huh?
chanting. When Dulal Prabhu was chanting one round, right? So before one round, he will tell this thing, right? And whether you have desire or no desire or anything, like when will you ask? When will you ask? Like you will ask boss. So who is boss? Who is the boss? So that
I guess there will be, I think in Vaikunth Goloka, there will be ISKCON and ISKCON of North Jersey, and we have our department. We cannot speculate all these things. I think, let's hanker for that. That Advait Guru is keeping our seat there, and then we be there.
You do so much service, Manish Prabhu, abhi. Serving all this prasadam and everything,
नहीं प्रभु वो आपसे सीखे ना पहले आपसे सीखे सब कुछ so see if you glorify Vaishnava in front of me it's an offense so but but like मैंने बताया ना कि 3 devotee है I cannot forget see इस material संसार में we don't want to speak everybody is devotee
Yeah.
but when you go to temple everybody is somebody is in the center here in Prabhupada system Krishna is in the center Prabhupada
Yes.
is glory to his Guru Maharaj. So for us, our buck stops to Prabhupada. We praise anybody, glories goes to Prabhupada, and Prabhupada will give it to Krishna because he's in direct touch with him.
Prabhu, I will sing one bhajan because but I don't think we can follow, but I will just sing from my side. Is okay?
Sure.
या म्यूट करना आप
This is Prabhu, this Radhe Jai Jai Madhav Deite.
one of the favorites.
So I'll just sing Prabhu, right? And it's राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मोहिते
गोकुल तारुणी मंडल महिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
दामोदरती वर्धन वेशे हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिनेशे
दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे हरि निष्कुंठ वृंदा विपिनेशे
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
वृषभानुदधि नवशशिलेके ललिता सखी गुण रमिता विशाखे
अनुदधि नव शशिलेखे ललिता सखी गुण रमिता विशाखे
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
करुणा करु मयि करुणा भरिते सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
करुणां कुरु मयि करुणां भरिते सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
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 Hari Bol Prabhu. I don't sing Prabhu, but today I sing just.
Not today, now, like as you gave the promise Prabhupada to come 11 and you didn't come, but this one should be, you should keep singing now. Very nice. Thank you.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol Sadashiv Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु दंडवत प्रणाम
धन्यवाद प्रभु.
हरे बोल प्रभु हरे बोल प्रभु दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु
All goes to Prabhupada.
प्रभुपाद की जय। सारी माता जी सारे प्रभु जी we had the sad news हरे कृष्ण प्रभु आप लोग सब लोग कैसे हैं प्रभु आप लोग कैसे कैसे माता आप लोग सब कैसे हैं
सब ठीक है प्रभु
आप दर्शन देते रहिए तो हमारा हम कुछ
सब ठीक है प्रभु
हम लोग प्रभु अभी हमारा घर में संध्या आरती का कीर्तन आप रहिए हम लोग संध्या आरती का कीर्तन करते हैं मेहुल प्रभु इज अवर संध्या आरती कीर्तन